In the last video, we covered age companies runner age. But at the end of that video, I told you guys that we're going to be creating a standalone video on Surfer Age. Now, Surfer Age is a cost-efficient web agent. And the best part is the models that are backing it up are completely free and open source. This is the Hugging Face link, and you can see their navigation and localization models. And they have two different weights for it, a 7 billion parameters weight and a 3 billion parameters weight. And we're going to be talking about this much in detail later on in this video. But for now, let's get started with the video. Hi and welcome back to SkillCurb. This is your host Shamrez, and we're getting started with testing our Surfer Age and talking about how their models work. If you have watched my previous video, you must be familiar with this interface. This is the runner age interface, but if you notice down here, we have Surfer Age right here. This is more like Cloud's computer use, and I've talked a little about it in the last video. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be testing out different use cases using Surfer Age. So let's get started with the first test. And while that test is being done, we can talk about the weights and how they work. So there you go. This is how the prompt's going to go like. Go to eBay and find keyboard on sale under $200. Create a Google Sheet of the cheapest 10 listings and also email the sheet to me. My email is this one. And here I'm going to make this fully automated. And let's get started with the run. And notice that we're going to be using Surfer Age, and it's going to show us how it spins up the web agent for the web browser. So let's run this. So there you go. It's starting a plan. It's using Surfer Age to find keyboards under $200. So this is the live view of the browser session, and it's actually loading it. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see clearly. So we have eBay website here. So this is how it's going to perform each and every navigation or each and every step. So this was the first step. This is the second step, and everything is being done in live session. And these are the thoughts that it's doing. This is how it navigates through all of this, and it's finding the listings for us, and I can scroll between the steps by just doing this. This is pretty cool. I mean, I'm in love with this interface and how powerful this is. So while Surfer Age is running in the background, I can spin up another task on the agent, but we're going to be talking about these open weights. So I'm going to show you what the Hodl 1 navigation means. So if you click on it, you will see a playground just like this one here, and you can input any image here. So we have an example here. We will give it an image of an online hotel booking website, and we ask it to book a hotel in Paris on August 3rd. And it's going to tell you what the navigation steps for this image is going to be. So let's just try this one. So I'm going to give it this input image of a hotel. And if I go navigate, it's going to process that and give us the navigation steps of how it's going to click on what. So here's the thought. I need to select the checkout date on August 6th, 2025, and then proceed to search. And then it's going to perform an action to click on the element, which is August 6th on the calendar. This is really cool. So I wanted to try out another test, and this time I've given it a screenshot from Amazon.com, and I wanted to add this gaming laptop to the cart. So let's go ahead and check out whether it actually works or not. So there you go. It actually has the thought right here, which is I need to locate the add to cart button and click it to add the product to the cart. And the action needed is to click the element, which is add to cart button, and it is on this navigation point. X-axis 1198 pixels and Y-axis 297 pixels. This is really great, and I think this is one of the best VLM, visual large model. And if you want to try out Hodl 1 7B or Hodl 1 3B, you can just go ahead and download them. You can fine tune them, extend them, or even put them up on a Docker container and use them as an API. But that was all about how you can use their open source models, and they're literally mind-blowing. So there you go. You can see that the task is completed. It has the final answer right here. Now the next thing that we want is to input all of this data inside a Google Sheet and email that to myself. So let's just wait for that. And there you go. You can see that it's sending the Google Sheets via email to my email account, and the email is sent successfully. Let's go back and open this up. So there you go. We have the eBay cheapest keyboards under $200. So you see the item name. Let's just expand this. This is really, really amazing. I'm in love with this autonomous agent. It can do pretty much everything for you. I just gave it a task and order in natural language, and it did everything for me. I didn't have to go and scroll all those pages myself. This is something futuristic. So we have the price, the delivery, and the item name, which is really great. Now, this was just one test, and I want to test out another use case. So I wanted to go to Trivago, which is a hotel price comparison and a hotel booking app, and I wanted to search and find out the top 5 hotels that offer safety as well as the price is moderate. So I'm going to enter my prompt here, and then we're going to talk about the prompt. So there you go. I have the prompt here. Let me zoom in a bit. So we're going to go to Trivago and find out the top 5 hotels that are safe and value for money. And I want to book the hotels for 20th, 21st, and 22nd June. So I wanted to make sure that it mentions the availability in the Google Sheet. And after it's done with finding the top 5 hotels, it's going to add them to a Google Sheet with the hotel name, room details, availability, also the price and location, and add a link in a column as well. So we're gonna again choose fully automated and hit run. So there you go, it's spinning up the browsing session again. And here you can see the objective is gonna visit Trivago and search for available hotels on 20th to 22nd June 2025 and gather information about safety and value for money. So we have the web action here and the thought, and it's actually scrolling on Trivago right now. You can see it's really fast and it's doing everything for us. And I can scroll between all these steps, which is one of the best part about Surfer Edge. And I really love it. Now it's checking out the calendar for the booking, and it's going to gather all the information and put that inside a Google Sheet for me. So let's wait for a while and check out the results. So there you go. The results are out, and it did kind of lot of thought processing here. You can see lots and lots of web actions and steps. And the best part, all of this is for free. They give you 10 free runs when you sign up with Runner Edge. So you can see that it's creating a file of the top 5 hotels and it's updating the cells. So 42 cells in the spreadsheet are updated. So there you go. The final answer is here, top safe hotel picks for June. And here are the room details as well as the availability. And there is price, location, rating, and booking link. And if I click on any of these links, it should take me to that website page. Let's scroll a bit down. So you have different hotels and the hotel names as well. Hotel Max is the 5th one, and they're going to charge you $290 for 2 nights. And availability is not specified on the website, but the location is just 0.5 miles to the city center, and the rating is really great. So this is how you can actually search, gather information before even you book a plane ticket. So these were the 2 use cases that I wanted to try out in this video today, and I wanted to show you how powerful Surfer Edge is. I truly love Surfer Edge and Runner Edge as well, and they have another tool which is Tester Edge. So overall, the Edge company is revolutionizing the AI industry with their open source weights, and I really appreciate whenever there is an open source weight for any AI out there. So all the respect and appreciation for Edge company. I want to encourage all of you, go ahead and try out Surfer Edge. It is the king of all browser use and computer use out there, and the best part, it is open source. With that said, let's wrap this video up. I hope you found this video valuable. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.